In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to network on GitHub. Navigating and making connections on GitHub is a valuable skill for developers, whether you're collaborating on open source projects or simply looking to expand your professional network. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the essential steps to access and understand the networking features on GitHub. First things first, you want to head over to GitHub's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in GitHub's URL, or simply search for GitHub via your favorite search engine. Once the homepage loads, you'll see various options and links available. If you're already a member, you'll want to go ahead and sign in. Look towards the upper right corner of the page, and you should see the sign in button. Click on it, enter your credentials, your username or email, and your password, and then sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your GitHub dashboard. This is your personal space where you can view all your repositories, recent activities, and quick links to different resources and settings. This dashboard is your starting point for navigating through GitHub's features. Next, we'll head into the settings to tailor the experience to our needs. To do this, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner again. When you click on that, a drop-down menu appears. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings and you'll be given a menu on the left-hand side of the page. This is where you tweak various features to suit your needs. In the settings, one feature in particular is very useful for networking: Insights. Click on it from the sidebar. This section provides an overview of the activities within your repositories. You can see data on how others interact with your projects, including forks and clones, which are directly related to networking on GitHub. It's a great way to understand who's been viewing or engaging with your work. Finally, we get to the heart of networking on GitHub, the network graph. For this, you'll navigate to the Pulse or Insights section of a particular repository. Within these options, you'll find the network link. Click on Network and you'll see a visual graph of your project's forks. This graph provides insights into how your code branches out across users who have copied and modified your repositories. And there you have it, a basic rundown on how to utilize GitHub for networking. By exploring these features, you'll gain a better understanding of how your projects are interacting with the broader GitHub community, which is key to expanding your professional network. Dive in, explore these options, and start making meaningful connections through your code today.